Hi, this is Kay from KayBayly.com. Today we're going to talk about stress. Now, tapping is absolutely one of the best things you can do for stress. And I know every one of us gets stressed at times. So one of the keys about tapping is how it works for stress. As we tap on the various points, we're actually sending a signal to the amygdala part of our brain, which is where the stress response comes from. So that flight or fight response that we all know comes with stress. And we all know the feelings that come with stress, the tension, the heartbeat, the sweating, the anxiousness, the pit in your stomach, all of those feelings are all coming from this fight or flight response that comes from our brain. And that's actually really bad for our long-term health. It's putting out cortisol, which is affecting our hormone levels. There's a whole range of reasons why stress is bad for us. The tapping helps to reduce the stress. Now, there might be some days where you're just so stressed you can't really figure out how you're going to tap on it. You're just stressed. And that's great. Just start there. So we'd start on our tapping, our karate chop point, and we'll say something like, I feel so stressed. Even though I feel so stressed, I don't know what else to do, but I love and accept how I feel. Even though I feel all of this stress, I'm so stressed. And so we just talk about stress. We're too stressed to think about what's causing it. And we go through I'm tense, I'm stressed, I can feel my heart beating, and just explain the symptoms that you're feeling. And as you go through, and after a couple of rounds, you should find that stress response has reduced and you're now able to think things. And that's the beauty of tapping, because now once we take away some of that fight or flight response out of the brain, we can start putting blood in this forebrain, which is our thinking brain. It's where the intelligence part of us comes from, and where we can start looking at our situation and thinking, well, what's really going on here? And then you can go into the tapping for the actual issues. But to start with, just literally start with the stress. If you're so stressed you can't even think straight, then that's great. Start exactly where you are and tap and bring that stress down, and then your forebrain, the intelligent part of you, can start coming up with the solutions. Hope that tip helped today. Happy tapping, everybody. Bye.